It's Ben. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're installing some soft door closers for the kitchen cabinets. This is a Rock Hardware product. It's one of the more popular ones available. I will link in the description to the exact ones that I'm using, as well as maybe a second top alternative. So a couple things we're going to need. They want to have some kind of a drill and a Phillips bit. So not a whole lot we're going to need. Now these screws are pretty small, and so I'm fairly confident we don't have to pre-drill with a drill bit to kind of where we're going to bore this in. But if you want to, you certainly could use a bit from your drill bit set and drill it out just slightly smaller than the screw that you're using. But I'm pretty confident we don't need to do that with these. But if you have really hard wood cabinets, these are alder cabinets, and so they're the wood isn't super hard, but if it was oak or something, maybe you would want to do that. So on this side right here, I already have one installed, so kind of get a shot of it here so you can see how it works. So there, it's closing, and you can see it just gradually catches it and lets it close nice and slow. So we'll go ahead and add it for this second side here. So right in this top corner over here is where we're going to add the additional slow close bracket. So you take your slow close device and you put it up in the top corner just like this, not like this. You want to make sure that it's in this orientation right here. So top corner, and then you take your drill and you go at the same angle that the bracket is made here. You can see that it's like a not quite a 45. So we'll finish putting this in here. Yep. Just till it's a little bit snug. Make sure that this is nice and rigid here, which it is. No deflection detected. The interesting thing about these is when they compress, they push back, towards my thumb here quite a bit. But when I go to let off of it, it has almost no pressure. So it doesn't put continual outward pressure on the doors. It has just enough pressure to come back out, but no extra really. So it's a really well-designed device. So here's a set of doors that don't have closers on them yet, or slow close hinges, and we're going to go ahead and just kind of close those. You can see how they kind of end up slamming just slightly. It's not terrible. These have the rubber bumpers on them. I'll link to rubber bumpers in the description as well. But they just don't have quite, if you were to slam it, it can potentially be disturbing / damaging. And now for the doors we just finished putting the closers on. We'll kind of just push those closed. And there they close. Now I should also say that this is adjustable slightly here on the back edge of this. I'll show you on one that I haven't installed yet. Whoop! Maybe the next one. So on the back side here, you can adjust how far in this is. So there's a little bit of like play right here. Not much, but a little bit. And so you can adjust that. I'm just going to turn this in a little bit. Now there's no play there. You can kind of see inside of here, it's like a little cylinder that compresses down closed. See, a really nifty little device. I kind of wish these were metal. They look like they're metal and they feel robust, so I don't think you're going to have any troubles with them, but I think they might have a metal version. If there is, I'll link to that in the description as well. But these are pretty reasonable cost-wise. I think got 25 of them for a little less than $40 or around $40. So yeah, definitely a good product, and I think it'll be something that will just save on my cupboards over time, and we'll be glad that we put them in. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for putting up with the kid noises in the background. Mom is at work, and so we are holding down the fort here. So, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Thanks for Mom.
Oh yeah, go ahead. You can say it.
Thanks for watching.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
All
Put
right.
your thumbs up.
Put your thumbs up. Yeah, that's right.
Put your thumbs up.
All right. Bye, guys.